Hello, bonjour. I wanted to pop in today and share something kind of personal. My favorite mixed media supplies right now. They change all the time depending on my mood, what I want to play with, or what kind of art I'm making. Lately, I've been doing a lot of layering, experimenting, and having fun combining materials. And these are the ones I keep reaching for again and again right now. And if you've seen my bird party course, these are the supplies I used to create those joyful, playful little birds. Let me show you my current favorite mediums. Beginning with watercolor. I feel like watercolor is the foundation of a lot of things for me lately. It gives beautiful loose background if you apply it first, and you can add a lot of mediums on top of it. I love that it's unpredictable. You can let it flow, and if you want, you can control, but I think the beauty of watercolor is letting the pigments do their thing. It's interesting that you can add pretty much anything on top of it. Actually, I don't see medium that don't go on top of watercolor. And you can make the background first, or you can circle your shape, or you can use it on its own, adding a lot of layers to get soft blends, transparencies, but you can also get intense colors. It's really perfect as a tool to have in your mixed media kit. My next favorite are water-soluble crayons. I use Neocolor 2. They are very handy and you can use them in different ways. You can use them dry to add details and to give energy to your drawing with some mark making, or you can use it to add texture to a background. If you have a tooth on your paper, that is really great. You can also use it like watercolor and wet everything and apply texture on top of it later. Or you can dip them in water and draw directly with them. It will give a different kind of line. Or you can go crazy and apply marks, a lot of marks. Or you can also add details on top of gouache. I think the combo gouache and Neocolor is just perfect. And bonus point, they will force you to loosen up and to stop overthinking, as they are not very precise. But this is what is fun with it. Oil pastels are another of my favorite mediums. It's pretty difficult to master, but you can really have fun with it. You can fill bold shapes, or you can leave a bit of the background visible. You can scrape it, you can blend it, you can layer it. You can really have fun with it. It's perfect for making full portraits or for added details on different mediums under. Just make sure to seal it before closing your sketchbook, or it will smear on the opposite page. And if you want to know how to do that, you can get my 60 mixed media tips that are linked in description below. When I want to get control again, I grab acrylic markers. I love acrylic markers. They are a perfect way to draw directly with them and fill shapes. You have an opaque layer that won't bleed through the paper, and this is pretty great. But also you can add details with them, either on top of itself or on top of different mediums. You can also blend acrylic markers to get colors that you don't have in your set, for example. And it's very interesting to use it to cover existing areas, either to fix colors or to fix some messy spots or even mistakes. And of course, you can draw directly with them. It depends on the type of markers that you have. I have brush tips and hard nibs, and both have their use. And last but not least, acrylic inks. I know some people find it difficult to use. I personally love it. I find this medium to be very versatile. You can make backgrounds, let the colors bleed together, or you can use it with a very thin brush and add a lot of tiny, small details. You can blend the colors. You can let them dry and apply another layer of details on top. And it's opaque. Well, some of them are opaque, so you can cover what's behind. It's really helpful when you want to fix some part of your drawing. I really love acrylic inks. I could add more to it, like gouache, for example, but let's say that for now, these are the supplies I prefer having fun with. But ask me in a couple of months, this might have changed. All the mediums I've shown you today, I use them in Bird Party along with others. And if you want to see how to use them and fill your sketchbook at the same time and have fun at the same time and share your art with fellow artists, you can join us at Bird Party, where we're having fun, one bird at a time, but with different mediums. I don't break down every tip in this video, but if you join Bird Party, you will get step-by-step instructions, real-time videos, beginner-friendly, so you can enjoy your art and fill your sketchbook. I'd love to hear from you. What are you obsessed with currently? Or maybe one of them is giving you a hard time? Let me know in comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Au revoir.